topic, generation of robot software entrepreneurs. So here the plan of our presentation. First we will take a look at what is also outsourcing. Then how do we respond to IT also outsourcing, and the third and fourth we will be presenting on our academic project on global software development project. We'll give some findings and we'll end with the future works. Okay, so now we take a look at what is outsourcing. From Wikipedia, we found that outsourcing is the delegation of tasks or works from internal production into an external entity, for example, as a subcontractor. And the word outsourcing means relocation of a business process to a lower cost location, usually to overseas. In combining the two words, outsourcing means a practice of hiring an external organization to do some or part of a business function in a country rather than hiring a local people. Okay, so how do we respond to IT outsourcing? So it is provide a real-life outsourcing software development experience. In this, we provide the advantage and disadvantage and the control on IT outsourcing. Also, we understand what the skill that students need to be productive in outsourcing software development. Also, we expose the students to the reality of global supply chain management. How we divide the work into different parts for different parties. Now we come to our academic project. It is a collaboration for global software development. It has been done for 4 years now. The first time it started in 2005. We have two partners, ITC student from Cambodia as a client, and a group of students from His University as a developer. And the second step, we have a group of students from the university who joined us as contractor for database design. The third step, we have the same three partners, but we include socialization and technology into the project as we create a mentor for the students. So come the final step, the fourth step, we have the same three partners, but we have the group of students from Mahidol University, Thailand, and students from Royal University of Phnom Penh who join us as part of the socialization and also for competition. So how do we mentor the students' work? First we start with the entry SOI in order to understand the background of the students. We providing a strict deadline that every team has to respect. For each delivery, we have defined what are the things that we expected. And also, every week, students have to do the online questionnaire in order to do the survey on the project. According to the management and all those, we have used Wiki for mentioning what has happening. The communication via emails and mailing lists and also chats. We also have the coach and auditor team in order to check update on the student progress. Every week the student has to give their reflection on the project. As the result, we have a successful so where the winning team has been selected and used. And we also have publication in international conference, journals and workshops. So what are our findings? First, we take a look at the requirement engineering. In this, we have for the requirement engineering process, we have provided carefully what we need and the relation between client and the developers. Then for the requirement chain, we keep everyone aware of the action in order to avoid the tension. And the requirement assumption, the client and the developer have contact directly in order to control their requirement assumption. communication and coordination, the team from Indian and Cambodian have found that their problem was on the time zone, the class load, they have lots of work to do, and also the internet access is not very good. As for the US students, they found that the communication is the problem because of the different cultural and different language. Also, the time gaps is different between the client and the developers. Most of the team feel that the two important tools is IDE and emails. The factors for our success in this global software development is there are good communication between client and developers. We have a very clear requirement and expectation for each step. Also, we have set up the group of coach and mentor to help the student with the technical advice and the quality control by auditor. As part of the cultural and social aspect, every student have different role in the project, so they interact differently in the way they interact. In this, we found that for the interaction between students, it doesn't affect much to the quality of the final product. And at the end, Cambodian students, as the client, they were more happy with the Indian software other than the other software, as most of the requirements have been implemented, and also the software looked more professional with a simple interface. So now come to our future works. We expect more social bonding activity, and we will be do the well estimation on the amounts of work that everyone has to do. Also, we provide the tutorial on the new technology, new expected technology to students in order to get them familiar before starting the projects. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your